Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel for today's video. If you're new, you know what to do. Go ahead and like, subscribe, hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. Now let's go to the video. So first things first, I need to do a quick tidying up of my spaces, and then we'll be ready to do today's tablescape. As always, I appreciate your continued support, and thank you so much for watching this video from start to finish, because thumbs up and total watches help my channel to continue to grow. So here I've gathered a few items. Not sure what I'm going to do yet, but that's the fun of putting things together. I found this beautiful place setting at the Salvation Army. 4 plates, 4 bowls, and only 3 sauces. But I was like, listen, it's okay. I'll make it work. For $10, I'll make it work. So this tablescape today, it's a no-spend tablescape. All the items you see, I previously owned. So I told you I'd make it work. I found these plates at, you guessed it, at Home Goods.
We fight and hurt each other.
Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkled in between for your viewing pleasure. So if you're enjoying today's video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. I'd appreciate it.
Empathy remains, no openness for change. Reaching for the light to get us through. God, we want more of you. Come, Holy Spirit.
If you're new here, let me take this opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am Katrina. I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. That's who I am. And what I do? Well, I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, cleaning, and shopping hauls. So if these are things that interest you, you already know what to do. Go ahead and join my growing YouTube family. I promise you it's free and it's absolutely so much fun.
You never hide. For us, you always wait. You're waiting. Always believe the best. Yet you're a loving friend. You're always loving us through. Oh, you would never fail. Be there, you always will. Shine us with your light to get us through. God, we want more of you. Come, Holy Spirit. It's the love that we long for. Bring us together. Make the broken things new. God, we want more of you. Of you. We're longing for your heart. Yeah. We're longing for your heart. We're longing for your heart. God, we want more of you.
I'm so appreciative to all of my loyal subscribers who come back week after week, and I'm just so elated for all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much and welcome to my Priceless family.
Make the broken things.
Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.
We're longing for your